Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see. And also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. There we'll be covering more updates on GBPUSD, especially if you trade GBPUSD and you need updates, then you can follow. We'll be covering more updates on GBPUSD for you there. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day. So we can see our GBPUSD is clearly on an uptrend move. So you can see this is our first touch, this is our second touch, and this is our third touch, meaning GBPUSD is ready to take off. So we should be expecting a bullish move from this level. So GBPUSD should be giving us a buy. So when you take a look at this on your 1 hour time frame, you can see that we had a toss here, which is our resistance. Then another drop was made, which came to this our support level. Then we had another bullish move that came to this our resistance level, right? Now it has dropped to this our support level. So what next we should be expecting is another bullish move to this our resistance level. So GBPUSD, we should be expecting a buy. So a buy is what we should be expecting. A bullish move is what we should be expecting. Stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.